Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a quick video. This is kind of an intro video to the videos that I'm going to be making on how to run various analyses using Excel. Now, one thing that we have to do right off the bat before we start running analyses in Excel is we need to get the add-ins going. So we're just going to click File in Excel, and we're going to come down here at the bottom left-hand corner and click Options. From there, we want to go ahead and enable data analysis add-ins. So we're going to check that box. The next thing that we're going to do is and that was under the data option there. Then we're going to come down here to add-ins, and we just want to leave it as Excel add-ins. The one that we're going to be doing is we need to actually enable this analysis tool pack. So from Excel add-ins, we just hit go. Then yours is going to look like this. We're going to check the box next to Analysis Tool Pack and hit OK. And bam, all of a sudden there's going to be a new box over here on the right side of your ribbon under the Data tab. So there's not going to be too much change outside of the Data tab, but if you click Data here, on the far right is Data Analysis, and from there we can run ANOVAs, correlations, t-tests, z-tests. This isn't going to be, if you're doing high-level statistical analyses, you're probably not going to be doing it in Excel. But Excel is actually a really good tool for educators and students in classes to use as a free alternative. Now, I'm probably going to recommend that actually you shift over to another free program that's called Jamovi. But there are situations for a lot of people where using Excel for data analysis is going to be what your company or what your classroom is using. So for that, we've got this, and I'm really excited to have you along in this journey where I share how to do a bunch of these analyses that we're seeing right here. So have a great rest of your day. Please let me know if you have any questions or issues installing this add-on.